Let's clean my keyboard after a year of using it. So first, I've got to take out all the keycaps. Alright, let's clean this out. Here I've got the compressed air. It'll make this a lot easier. Just spraying down on a lot of this here. There's still a lot of bits that get stuck in there. See these crumbs here? Now we're just gonna get this out with a Q-tip, loosen it up before we respray it again, just to make sure all the surface dirt is gone. Second spray. Alright, now that we've done that, we're going to take out all of the key switches so that we can clean under there as well, because